welcome back to Planned on Planning. Here we are in my social planner, and as you can see, we have a wonderful new week to start with and get ready, a blank canvas, all that wonderful stuff. Let's just go ahead and pop that out, push that over to the side, and here we are. So this week, as you know, I'm digging through the crates of the washi, and what do I come across but all this glitter? And baby, when I tell you if it glitters, it's gold. Yes, that's rose gold you were looking at, and I was just like, how can I not use this? Why have I not used this before? Was the better question. Why have I not used this before? And I just have no reason for it at all. And then I found this cute rose gold polka dot foil to go with it as well. So I was like, oh my gosh, it's calling my name. This is what I'm supposed to be doing with my life. So, as to not disappoint, let's get right to it. Because, baby, there ain't nothing to it but to do it. All right. So here we are with this lovely, lovely, lovely. And to be honest, I am not taking any chances when it comes to this. And we are going to bust out the scissors, because I don't want to go ahead and think that it's going to work using my my handy dandy little gift card and then get my feelings all nice and hurt. Yeah, I'm not going to do that to myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to go a tad bit over, because like I said, I'm using the scissors. So I'm going to line it up at the top of the page. I'm going to go a tad bit over, and bam. Oh yes. I don't necessarily know if it was made for me. Like, you know, somebody at the washi factory was like, yeah, she's gonna want that. And I was like, yeah, I definitely am. And I definitely did. And I definitely do. But how can you say no? Like, let's be honest about it. How can you say no? You just can't. That's completely and totally awesome. I love it. Let's do the next page. Oh my gosh, why, oh why haven't I done this so much sooner? So I'm just going a tad bit over, putting it right at the top again. Because like I said, I don't want to take any chances. I don't want to mess up at all. Snip, snip, cut, cut, bam. And there you have it. What? So here we are with what we have for my social planner, and as you can see, it's coming along rather nicely. I have the rose gold going on and this beautiful glitter as my banner, and then just some rose gold polka dots framing out the days of the week. So when you have all this wonderfulness, it's like, what can you possibly add to it to make it better? Like, what stickers are actually going to make it better? And that is something that I'm like battling with at this very moment. Now, I do have tons and tons of stickers, and I do have a lot of foils and things like that. So basically, that's what I'm going to go for. All of these foils that I have, like, so we're going like all out gold this week. Like, there's no other way around it. So I'm gonna be digging this one. Like, this is what we're gonna be focused on. Just everything gold foiled, to be very honest. Of course I'm gonna use this. Of course I'm gonna use this. Let's just get to it right now. Let's stop talking about it. Let's just do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. Ow. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Does this fit? Because I'm kind of in love with this, but I think it's a little too big. Yeah. Darn it, that's taking up a lot of space. That's taking up a lot of space. But if we space it out correctly, who cares? And this is how we space things out. We use this little area here. So this works out perfectly to go right here. So what do? We put it right there. Bam. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, boo. Alright, so I have this wonderful right here, this little love. Now let's put this here too. I have this, which I'm actually thinking about breaking it up. I'm just going to cut it in half and break it up. Just snip, snip, cut, cut. And I just want to add it here and add it here. Just a nice little flare, to be honest. See? It just kind of brings the page together on its own. This beautiful little Shine Bright sticker that we're going to add. And let's get some inspo going on. I have this awesome foil sheet of letters that I have seemed to misplace, even though I just had it. Oh my gosh, this is what happens when you get overexcited about something. You lose everything. Here we go. So I have this sheet, and it's just random words and whatnot, and I want to put this everyday right down in here. And then I definitely want to add a today, like on my Friday. Or maybe we'll figure it out. Anyway. So, now the thing about this is you just got to be really patient, because you don't want to stretch it out and then it not be the word anymore. So you just got to really take your time when dealing with this. And like you can see, it is requiring some serious patience on my part. Alright. Okay, we got it up. And just work with it, so to speak. Alright. I'm just putting in every day here. Bam. And just let it fall out on its own. And then what I am going to add to it is some stars and some hearts, and keep it like super flared out. And to me, this is just like glitter every day, shine every day, be bold every day. Life is not for the faint of heart. So every day you got to be a go-getter. Ow. Oh, that one's overlapping a little. Here we go. There you go. I love, love, love it. Yes. All right, now I do want to put the today in. And I think I'm just going to have it go right across my Friday. And like I said, this is quite a task, and it does take a little time and a little patience. There we go. Alrighty. And I'm just gonna, or should I do it on this Monday? Or a Wednesday? Or how about we just do it across the days? Oh, yeah. I think I'm just gonna add it. There we go. A little wild, a little funky, but I still love it. Yes. I have a pretty, it actually kind of takes up too much space. What if we sit it on, no. We're getting a little, yeah, it's getting a little overkill. Alright. We're going a little overkill with that. Alright, so let's get some positive words going. Where's my foils? I'm looking for my foils. I had a whole sheet of them. Okay, here we go. Alright, so let's start looking. Those are weekend things. Was that really? Wait a minute. I saw some big ones that I really was digging. I want to put a priority on my Tuesday. To be honest, that totally works with what we're doing. We have a note to self and a reminder. Because Thursday I'm going to be working on a little home project, so I do want to remember that there are things that we need to do, like posting videos and posting to different social media platforms. So even though I'm going to be in like reno mode, I still have other work that needs to get done. So that's a really important one for my Thursday. All right, so I'm just looking for some others that we can use. Those today's are so long. I could have swore I had some more foil. Okay, I knew I had more foil. Like, don't do that to me. I like this one here. It says I choose joy. And I'm just going to put that right up here in the corner. Today I choose joy. I mean, granted, it's not just today, but I'm choosing joy for life, period. Yes. I have this lovely other sticker that says wild and free. And I just kind of want to put that like in this area. Wild and free. I mean, granted, we can't be but so wild, but it's a nice thought at the end of the day. It's a really nice thought. And I think I just want to add just a little bit more. And it's just like these little things. Be happy today. And I have this nice, cute little foil. And it says be brave. I like those. Okay, so here we are for my social planner. And I am just in love. I cannot begin to tell you how much I am in love with my choice for my banner option. Like, this is definitely the way to go. Like, if you're gonna do glitter, you just go all out with your glitter and you don't care what nobody else says. And that is basically what I've done here. I've used this wonderful area to go bling bling, because when it glitters, it's gold, boo. And then I have these lovely other gold accents and the foiling, and everything is just really coming together this time around. So without just going crazy about glitter, I just want to thank you so much for spending time with me here on Plans on Planning. Thank you for indulging in my craziness and my wildness and my extravagance. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a line. You can comment in the video right below this video. You can also shoot me an email. I definitely am checking my email 6 million times a day, so it won't be long before I reply back to you. And you can show enough hit me up on social media and slide in my DMs, because baby, don't we all love getting a DM. But nonetheless, I thank you for being here with me, and I cannot wait to hang out with you again. Thank you. See you later.